Oh, sorry, guys. I was just chilling on top of the tree at Christmas.
I'm not an elephant.
You didn't think I was going to be there, did you?
You silly boys.
And Everton, you do know it's Christmas on Thursday.
Santaton?
O'Brien, with the early present?
O'Brien thought it was Onana.
What was he thinking?
Silly boy.
And they told me Glocker has left his bullets in Portugal.
You Portugal's.
Nah,
Hallelujah.
an absolute beast of a penalty tonight.
King Conquerors.
And who gave him the penalty? Starboy Bakayo.
What a guy, yo.
He was absolutely sensational tonight.
Saka saucing.
Everton couldn't get near him.
Neverton.
I mean, it was only 1-0, but Everton didn't really trouble us. I think Grealish has already been to too many Christmas parties. He didn't do anything.
Too much Jack Daniels.
And if you do need to get in contact with me over Christmas, I'll be chilling on top of this tree. Cheers. Have a great Christmas.
Happy Goikamus.